My Sephora VIB purchase is finally here. Most of the products are new launches that I've been wanting to try, except the Ouai Wavy Spray. This is actually a staple for me in my hair care routine. This is a new product from Glow Recipe. It was really lightweight and surprisingly hydrating. I really didn't notice a drastic difference with my pores, but I do think it helped with my foundation and the longevity of it. Now this is the latest launch from Decay, and I have to say this is probably my favorite liquid liner. It was super easy to use thanks to the grip, and the pigment is bold that literally lasted all day long. I'll definitely be picking up more shades. This is not new, but it has been on my wish list for a while, and I can see why so many love it. It glided on smoothly, was lightweight and hydrating. I tried using the brush end that it came with, but honestly I prefer using my sponge. Of course I had to grab the viral highlighter. This continuously got sold out throughout the VIB sale. But I waited and I'm so happy I did because this is so lightweight and glided on the skin so smoothly. Just look at that glow! Now I grabbed this because I saw another beauty influencer use this not only as an eyeliner to get that more awake look, but also a lip liner. Personally, I'm just going to use this as an eyeliner. So what new products did you pick up during the Sephora VIB sale?